Hey YouTubers! Alright, here it is guys. Welcome to my series, How To and Lifestyle. Here's the garden guys. Preparing for the garden. Organizing. Here are the potatoes. Potatoes are coming out real good. I've been putting some water up, waking up early in the morning and dropping some water on this before the sun comes up. Been eating the lettuce on a semi-daily basis. We get a good couple of heads of lettuce already, and that's been really good. Your onions, broccoli, we got everything here. So tomatoes up there are starting to really take off. Mind you, today was, oh God, 46 degrees centigrade. So my corn, I'm gonna give you guys a look at my corn here. This is supposed to be my strawberry patch, and nothing's really patching here ever. Like, it patches a bit, and then some years nothing happens. So I'm gonna take this out and put something better next year. But there's my corn right there. The corn, it's sweet corn, and I'm kind of excited for that. I think those are beans. Those are beans over there. I'm going to give you guys a look at the beans. But tomatoes look like they're starting to come out. I'm not sure what... oh, peppers. Those are peppers right there. And that's all. I think that's romaine lettuce, I think. But my mom planted a few of her things in here, too. So I think spices she needs to cook and stuff. I was gonna restore some chairs, but I don't know if I have time to do it now. And let's take a look over here. The grass is nice and moist because I just watered it. So there it is right there, guys. Those are the beans. There's the bean stalks. And yeah, this is survival, guys. This is raspberry bushes there. Our trees aren't really doing anything. I picked up these trees last year, or 2 years ago, and I mean, nothing. This is supposed to be a peach tree. Nothing's happening with it. This is supposed to be my apple tree. I don't know if it's dying or if it's on its way out, but there's really nothing happening. I mean, someone could comment below and let me know what I'm doing wrong here. Not too sure. It does get water though. Not a lot though, enough to... You know, and then this is my cherry tree here. And the cherry tree itself doesn't... Getting a bit of cherries here. So this is going to be okay. Just this is the only one. I lost my grapevine. I'm very sad. Very sad I lost this grapevine, but it's gone. I'm not sure what to do. If there's a way I could maybe cut a piece off, put it in a glass of water. I'm not sure, guys. But I'm learning as I go. You know, I've been here 5 years now. Since I left the big city, and this is what I wanted, you know. Don't forget to check out my series. I left the city. I left the big city. I left the city. I was tired of this BS. The whole BS of the city. And yeah, there's the shed I put up last year. So yeah, house is coming along. We did all the windows, and we're kind of putting it together. Lots of construction happening. I'll keep you guys updated on this channel on what's happening with that. Kids were having a good time today. They love to put the sprinkler underneath the trampoline, and the water goes through, and they just love it. All right, guys, it's trampoline there, trampoline there, trampoline. Everyone's got a trampoline. Everyone has a young family on this block, pretty much. Yeah, I think everyone has children on this block. You know what? Everyone does. I just thought about it. On this block, yeah, almost everyone except one house. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thanks for watching. We'll talk soon.